Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin rights and signing into both Clickup and Outlook, then open Clickup settings and go straight to integrations. Once there, select Microsoft Outlook and click Connect. This links accounts and exchanges authentication tokens so events can flow. Make sure to grant calendar read and write permissions. Without them, Clickup cannot create or update events. After granting access, you'll see your Outlook account listed in Clickup, which means the connection is established and you're ready for configuration. Once connected, you choose which Outlook calendars to sync and where in Clickup the events should appear, either specific spaces, lists, or the calendar view. Make sure to pick a sync direction. Two-way keeps both platforms mirrored, while one-way is simpler for read-only workflows. Then map fields so titles, descriptions, attendees, start and end times, and reminders align correctly. This avoids missing details. Also set default event visibility and whether Clickup tasks should be created from Outlook events, because that can you finish by testing. Create a sample event in Outlook and one in Clickup, then verify both appear with correct times and details. If updates lag, make sure sync frequency or refresh intervals are set appropriately and look for duplicate rules. Once done, finalize by enabling any desired notifications and saving your mapping. If sync fails, reauthorize the integration in Clickup, check Outlook/Exchange calendar permissions, and then retry. This fixes most token or permission-related problems quickly, so you can get back to work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.